Hello friends, this is Hephzi-green again. I'd like to show you what it looks like when you have a fresh veggies in your mouth. Not to talk about the nourishment in your body, but the feel of satisfaction you get. You remember our carrots? Now let's do a pulling, harvesting of one. Come on. Yeah. So this is carrot. Can you see that? Look at the coloration, very nice. I just watched it. Like, I've been salivating to have this in my mouth. Join me have the good feel. Now, one thing, somebody once asked me a question, Shagun, why is it that we don't have the feel we do have with carrots years back when we were in primary school that we buy carrots and the thing you will hear is this. Mm. And again, why is it that when we eat carrot these days, the hinds are sweet? As they used to be back then. To the best of my knowledge, there are varieties of carrots out there now. But the main part of it will be that the management system, the practices around the production aren't as before. Fertilizers, series of chemicals and all. So, thank you. This is crunchy and nice. I'm enjoying this. I'm serious. Wow. We are available to put your pupils through hands-on ideal agriculture, veggie production, and other stuffs. Thanks for having me. Even in your compound, we can do this for you. Enjoy!